Good morning, children. Today we will study in EVS our universe, our solar system, planets of our solar system, about sun, moon and stars. Children, what is the universe? We see the moon at night. We also see many stars in the sky at night. We see the sun during the daytime. So the sun, the moon, the stars and even our earth form our universe. There are many more bodies like them that are also a part of universe. Children, what do you see in the sky in the morning? Very easy answer. We see the sun in the morning and during the daytime. What do you see in the sky at night? Again, it's very simple. We see the moon and millions of stars in the night. So children, the universe is the largest unit in which we live. It is a collection of galaxies. There is only one universe and everything that exists in this universe itself. We see the sun during the day. It is a huge ball of fire. It gives us heat and light. The heat of the sun has made life possible on the earth. And everyone knows that the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. And the sun is very huge in size, but it appears small as it is very far from us. Now we see the moon during the night time. The moon goes around the earth. The moon does not have any light of its own. It shines because of the sunlight falls on it. We see the stars in the night. If you look up at the sky at night, you will see a lot of twinkling stars. These stars appear small because they are very far away from us. And the sun is the closest star to the earth. Now, here we see the planets of our solar system. The earth belongs to the family of the sun called the solar system. There are 8 planets in our solar system. The names of these planets in order of their distance from the sun are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Jupiter is the largest planet while Mercury is the smallest planet. Each of the planets move around the sun in their fixed path, which are called orbits. Children, one thing more I want to tell you. Mars is also called the red planet. The largest star of our solar system is Sun. The blue planet is Earth. The third planet from the sun is Earth. The hottest planet is Venus. And the farthest planet is Neptune. Children, one thing I want to tell you. Earlier there were 9 planets. Pluto was there, but now it is called as a dwarf planet. So we have studied about the planets of a solar system. Now, here we see the different shapes of the moon. So earlier we have studied the moon goes around the earth. The moon does not have any light of its own. It shines because of the sun's light falling on it. And if you look at the sky every night, you will see different shapes of the moon. It is because on a given night we are able to see only that part of the moon which is lit by the sun, because moon does not have any light of its own. The moon has no air or water, so there is no life on the moon. So we see the moon shining in the sky at night, just like the planets that move around the sun. The moon moves around the earth. Children, remember, the moon moves around the earth. If you look at the moon every night, you will find that it keeps changing its shape. When the moon is round like a big ball, it is known as the full moon. When there is no moon in the sky, it is known as the new moon. The other shapes of the moon are crescent moon, half moon, gibbous moon. And children, we all know an American astronaut, Neil Armstrong, was the first human to land on the surface of the moon on 20th of July 1969. So here you can see the different shapes of the moon. Once again I repeat: new moon, full moon, crescent moon, half moon and gibbous moon. Now here is our Mother Earth, where we live. We live on the planet Earth. So the shape of the earth is like an orange. The earth's surface is all land and water. And it is often called the blue planet. Why it is called? Because the major part of the earth's surface is covered with water. The huge water bodies on the earth's surface are known as oceans. The earth is surrounded by a layer of air called atmosphere. So children, our earth is the only planet that has life on it. Earth has oxygen and water for us to live. Our earth is called a blue planet because it has 70% water and 30% land. That is why it is called the blue planet. And it is also called a unique planet. Why it is called? Because it is the only planet where we can live, that has life on it. And its distance from the sun, its atmosphere, water, air and land, all these together make it a unique planet. And it is also the only planet which has animals, plants and human beings living on it. And children, one thing I would like to remind you all, that we should try to keep our earth, our home, our mother planet clean, and we should try to protect it by saving water, growing plants etc. Now, here we see the different stars, billion of stars in the sky, and the stars are showing a pattern. So, a constellation in the night sky. Yes. If you look at the sky at night, you see lot of twinkling stars, and a group of stars that form a shape in the sky is called a constellation. And many constellations have their names, which we will study later on. So, a group of stars that form a shape in the sky is called a constellation. So, children, let's revise. Today we have studied in our universe about the sun, moon and stars. The earth belongs to the family of the sun called the solar system. The sun, planets, stars and the moon together form the solar system. The 8 planets in the solar system are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, and the 9th planet is now called as dwarf planet Pluto. The Earth is also called a unique planet. Stars appear to form patterns in sky called constellations. So, besides the planet, the universe also has the sun, the moon and the stars. So children, we should take care of the earth as it is the only planet with life on it. So I hope you all enjoyed this lesson. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.